Alafo mpacha mechiamo na megidi se uchedi ampon nananum on madaroma nti yemu bia ho ye edo twedi ampon agya no nananum nyina soso ase media na evangelist comfort na da nyina hu me wote menka ese pa homa so nya nu modenti ya o na mom yi di ntia na me se enno nwumre dasio no ho ena me call Facebook so na me call Facebook ni so no na me koto many we no me ya nti me sram panchem me koto lawyer no chefrimpo se obi a share ne video bi na kasa ne nyemu no video no a woni kura wa share e dia fa lawyer no chefrimpo se ne kasa ne yomu asante ho tan no he binwi a wuti me so wo yenze mani so ho na hu nwi asante ne a wo ya de ba akọ wo yenze ma akotoko eno no so ya asante kotoko na na nu di mo no okokuma sisi ya wo bia bi efe na agrekenzema nzemafo eni asante nyina e ba akọ onum na onum ya densifo edemada asantefo inti no onum ya architectures onum omusi dan ene onum ya constructions works inti dansi ahodo bia be hunu asante memo no dodo na eyenzema kotokofo ena ne AC eni ama ahodo bebre wo ho a enzema a contribute e de ama santeman na ade a wo unim ne se ene wo beto ade bi efe ne politics oba ye no ye do akoka bibi efe no western region ene was north region to fi se ho na ofiri da bi menyanzemani oni asante ne ye baako ema obi anyisu ono na dwene se ono yenzemani ene ni ono pe emma wo mfa wotan ense wakoma mu enye me na me haw ni ode wotan se omu no ene haw me a me ka no kora kire wo no me na me boa wo ni obeto ya se nkroma eyenzemani wagye adi because obey the eyes of every African, obey the name to speak in the lips of all the history. Yeah, I can African freedom from the colonial masters. Until feel proud to say nkroma enzemani mame na baba no and fine kwesi. But meanwhile, won she denya bre so betena se. Senzemani enzema kotokoni na wo betena se na wo behwehwe die na ye ne kore die me koti wa bontin na ye ne kore ma me bufu ye se enipa asemasi ne din be ye kwabena nipa asemasi ne din ebe ye kwame ne din ne wo hene nipa asemasi ne date of birth efiri wei echenyi be ye wei nipa asemasi adenti na obawi ni aba no okofa ne ba ena efiri Liberia ebe ye financial secretary na se financial minister ewo omaya ebe ye Ghana yimu busa ho courses bebre edenti na wan hye da anye bibia mfa manzemafo wanya hwe odi oma no so nearly 9 years wanya bibia mfa manzemafo edie bentia baby aka wo furu mafiri at least ka wasa wo see hospital kase bi kura na se because abrani mu no enkroma mame kasem kyerɛw obeye president of Ghana no obi ani ni obi antimi ntwintwa na emu because utwa na emu ane yeti utum se wonte sa abakose mu da kono kobusa eti nkrofo be yes o detector ene na ma ono ane ba be man e ka se ne papa e detector a form of dictatorship hwe wo yenzemani a wo ya asantini yenzemani kotokoda so edame so mama obi anfo ono na dwene te se papa anote frimpon because of sending mama yenzemani kaza se ni pako ya ne papa obetena ba bia ka se ne papa nso ya asantini meno mienu yensiki a way forward the hin na was siki nokre yensiki nokora ene wiase akononim nokora bu nokora aye bebre mentena ho sa oyenzimani enti obi abasa oyenzimani obetwatwa de akere wo na wade adi because of say oyenzimani nti menya bema enzimafo de se yeka asante edra kase bebra mu hunu asante memo no enzimafo de sisiye enzimani asante adekoro ye chemonye yie enzima enema wodo bebre ho enzimafo ena ne yemo no ye ewa asante memo esasa asante memo na enzima kotoko owodibire eti munku amu okuromua ye nkuro bebre hihase ewa asante memo ho ye fro ha Greek enzima so obi firi baabi no oba no obetena baabi ena edine political spectacle ade bitterness spectacle ade jandam spectacle ade she no obegina ona enzimafo be careful busa wo se onipa no obetena wo na de na oye no asante ne nzima no entiti ebe na wo yemu anabone be na wo yentem anaya brabom pen anaya seek for justice abom pen ya fight ya bom pen ya tiensa kruwa bakum anum nsuo pen ni eguso a enzimani asante boninim ade ba ko pe adefoa ba ko pe wo pen krofo mo ye ba ko pa eyezima ani asante zimani santini ni hu kwan so obie no ano kasa bone kire zima kotokoni sa na zima kotokoni ni hu kwan so obie na no kasa asembone kire asante kotokoni ezase ye nyina ekafuo mu a amana kro no mu ani hye enkrofo pia bonten pese ono de tribal sentiment and bigotries atiti ni pantem eye wo de because of who nyini no ade a wo behunu ya eye papa mu abrabo a tiga nanim do behunu ya wotan abrabo a betena nipa mu wo Ghana ho Ghana na ohunu sa no sister brother mienu na nakuro mienu nzimani no ya na nakuro and obi si wabeji independence am obi just 1953 mamika abakose mi fanchero sana yamo akwaje din sana yamo pagrant din yamo dankwadin sana yamo HB amon mudin ena yamo bedaman mudin ena yamo ayefa ne say enkrofo bi adi be bon kromadin adentia. What to a pagrant? When was the last time who from Ghana ni no? When was the last time I would see history about pagrant? When did the Nkrumah came into picture? Who was the Nkrumah? I didn't know Musa questions. Anna the Bia Jose, ya the Nkrumah be so sense many. And it's the Bia we need to protect Nkrumah legacy. A dear legacy. Nkrumah ba ya no nurse so be independence man no me no. Near population yes 6 million. Sika be no obeto ye busa hu se sika be e na obeto ye 60 billion sabra ne ke chema onipa bi ana sabra no ebe ye Ghana ye chema obi akobi ebenya 1 billion pounds 1 billion fucking good pounds o pa chere say ade na ya na moye analysis na mo pese mo de kosi because of say ye de obi abegina sense mani mami ka sem chere ye further research no Kwame Nkrumah itself needed Francis Nya Nkrumah. Your friend Nkrumah, a friend Nkrumah. Na minim esa me kasa me verification me name papa no mpanimfo bi o me yanzema fo akata no. Onu mu nidi e friend Nguru ema wo. So this is something I ask myself. I don't know obede kwabena. Na sudden o se yase nkom say Kwame ne baba be di o man so enti osesa ne din kwabena no edi ne din na baba e Kwame o ba wiase busa won kasa wo to a wo me a wo ma ho kwan me nipa dasani edi tete wadwene ne ye twa wo ntoro kokope kesi committee no a ye ti ya bra echi the big sis ne kumu no copy the information of the kesi committee no copy bi ne we emma papa we metna wo ntwa ntom fa nkyere because of say obeso represent the legacy of Nkrumah. At this moment in age, nobody will sell their brain to you. Wo lawyer not chefrempong. Because sabra na yeni bibia na muna mo ye from lawyers for amako school mo ohumani mo a mo kan sama ni all the source of bibia bebusa no near your draft near you keep on lying to us. But thank God, today you can't lie anymore because yetimi ko wura baby ko busa sem. Na yenya a specific information a content is ade na na yi di ama say any watch him. Look, share busa hu say, why is it that none of the big six names are mentioned all the time except Nkrumah? Was Nkrumah founder of anything? Was he a founder of anything? Was his name Enzimani Edin? Me pese bi busa o se Enzimani Nkrumah Enzimani. Na nwia na wo Liberia na upon wia ni relationship ni relate or related to Nkrumah. Edi enti na Nkrumah be wi ni aba no. Okofa ne ba. Sa brezo no wawo e wo ba bi e no fa organa no. Na wawo ho. Edi enti na wo san Ghana ni no ho. Kofa ne ba. Every Liberia. Ye no Francis or no se no Francis Nkrumah. E kofa no no ne be ye a financial minister. Why? Edientia. And here for Nidi catching Nkrumah to first. This issue needs to be taught to us. Na yan kasa ye de adene. Atina se. Akaso won Nkrumah. Na sa abra no kwa before mpapa mu ne emu. Eni to wa Liberia no onye Liberia ni o. Wa bon ho moden di ama Ghana. That would be more acceptable. See a person you try and throw. The mame na ba. Edi way. When was the mame na ba came into picture? H.B. Hammond. What was his duty? I want Nkrumah. Oba or a black coffee and free. Tap by the Hammond. Or H.B. Hammond. Why I didn't know your man Nkrumah. Fair? Ghana have hide a lot of things. And nothing in there. Atima buakwaphobia ni abro masoria. Afei do mahu so matan menfofo da no won kwaye. So on matan menfofo da no won kwaye. And no kra ye de asie wo no menua ba ma. Wa bomodne kope ne hu. Na bomode kope na hu a ye wo wuti ni wadwene. Ni opesa wudi wuti ni wadwene ye no. It depends on you. Do not allow anyone to fool you. Neither me, neither I, nor I, I'm not a friend. You are a human being of your own structure. You can learn, you can know, you can research, you can ask, you can discover, and you can uncover. So do it yourself and do not let none of us to lead you to astray. Ye mu kwasia. Esase ye mu bebre ya tronko. Na Nkrumah ha ne di ka chi ne tumu. Aye Liberia ne di ka chi ne tumu. Liberia any di kachi de tumu because okoye na brofo no wonum ko na ai colonialistic nature no bibia no me mienu toilet kro eni mienu baby atuntumfo beko ne baby akokofo beko up to date South Africa bi wo ho ye wo kro up to date ono so mato asase no enti atuntumfo ma ho up to date and the present civilization wona asese woni aten yet to date your baby at South Africa abi before nko. A party, they didn't a party they buy. It was the same issue na kofa a party they buy. Now the reason is, oko ya no, abra no kwa America no, okoshi and prophobity say, Martin Luther King no, Asia me connect him, and some Black Panthers, ne black activists no jina for tuntum for freedom. And then equal rights for a tuntum for ne akokofo. And these people, they are group. They were tormented and killed all the time. In prison, executing and a lot of things. And it's abra free America by you kahano. Or joining the same organization, black activist organization, ibo you ka. Natia semi. Akwa jay ne nimu Nkrumah. Nanse wabi ba se no ne Nkrumah ne kusku. Bedema. She mua adenti na ono nko na abasa one Nkrumah ne kusku. And I was say one in the coin. I this said I chimbota na or say I chimbota so this I forgot the name of mention ye. Apart from one ye will be a monster may be a classmate in Nkrumah, and this guy was close to Nkrumah. He was very close to Nkrumah. He was part of the big six, Bedama. So we just want to know. We just want to ask questions. We Nkora afeni ye nyini. Ye pesi hunu no kure. Esa sa de ye hunu no. And then your mama catcher no a tro concept to kura konkon. Entity. I want your cody can't watch him. And was say, I was Bruni, how dare you say war me in my own fatherland? For some more two team say, in the West Africa sub-region, Ye Ghana for one. I'm saying Africa as a Kulumika on a Motherland. On my Kenya fatherland. Nigeria or Niger or Mali or fatherland. A Ghana ne baku become on a motherland. So it's motherland now. Obia Kasoxime call motherland. Tinophobia bagana. It's as a young one a motherland. Diaka near Omache Woshiano a fatherland. And so I'm watching it too, and was said, the antenna was a chimney to me in my own fatherland. This is a statement he made, and it is recorded. A black call Liberia. Liberia for comes a black Americans for almost form of some movement in the Bias or more African freedom. No, or no be near don't be cool Liberia. I'm on a buyer, and no be a Martin A. Malcolm X. A try so by ye. So before all the Caribbeans, all the black people are on more Caribbean area, or best a woman in Asa or back Africa. And it would be, and I don't bet na baby and a Frahonum, Liberia. A be, and one quarter to be called Sarario near that day. And it's a said if in free town. So, eti a whole tuntum for Pacific and near Africa, no, and a say Uncle Liberia and a quatanaso. Nemo my young crophobia, no one more abroad, the first African Americans are. You don't want to call slaves in the mono. On to do one best at all be a for Liberian. Ebi also so. Yeah, baby. Abra and Kroma Obayan. One that didn't buy. And Kroma free Nidin in Gruma, Nidin den Kroma. Nidin Eddie in Gruma. Nidin never ever called and Kroma. Said Mammy, Mammy na by so one with that. It's a yadana Mammy na Emma. Na Kwame Nkrumah beto sonkom. Ne ma aka ne way. We want to see Kwame Nkrumah brothers. Ne sisters. We just want to see them. Ya pasi who be a Tracy be say. Kwame Nkrumah mama na aba ne mani bini. Omo mani, omo ni obi akro ni ho a. Eye de obi wo yi. So we want to know say mama na aba ne mani ne baba ma ba ku yi ne bani. We just want to know. We just want to know that history. Ezanze. Ansa na ya kan for beto Nkrumah no. Now that is sort of sonkom. According to history, Mama Naba never, ever. Wango ba. Eti abasi ebusa se. Mama Naba. And good. Mama Naba. Senebani Nkrumah. Ne ma aka way. Ne nananum bi way. We just want to know. There be a Nkrumah mai mienu. Ya one Egyptian for you no. Ye hu obi abio Egyptian for many hu omo ne maaka e na ukọ Liberia sesia opon wia omo ye ni related ni bi no opon wia na se obedi ade awo Liberia beto ba Ghana ha wan Kwame Nkrumah busuafo no ye ne ma no apart from the Egyptian ma no ne ma no bi wai na busua ame na ba busua no a wo enkono na Nkrumah beto so nkono e ma no ebi wai ebi ma wai. We've heard a lot of histories, and you're not asking questions. Politics started way back at your tricks. Politics, they sat down and they ensure, say, they will make sure, say, in contemporary, and that was the meaning of politics. And he, Busa Humbio say, a denti, and a Sebia Nyado Sebia, a dark rock castle was your mamma mena, but went to me and yet with it. 1 year, it was never completed. Was a passion there? Was a lot of parenting passion because what year history the man Nkrumah no just mama na ba or struggle no the Nkrumah co school. Na sadia what was the passion, the link sikafu a obetu ye what did be corporate independent import the Liberians ayi your friend say Zimbabweans ukukuru ye sika the corporate independence man Nigerians who pre-be the man in who do African countries you know. To say Krosika abeto ya na British for the ma won within 2 years Ghana ye ba bo from call IMF no IMF Nkrumah na di kan de call IMF waba na Guinea no money adade mo waba na ye 6 million na 60 million pounds and na abrofo de call mo de ma ye say ye che sa abre no mo nipa bi akobi abenya 1 billion enka na Ghana obi anyi ni bio. Na sasika we uma me kro wantimi amfansi dama no uma me na ba no wona wo so wo free we yem ba ye no wantimi ansi dan amfa ama na nterem eda wo yese wo si ama no one complete that. So was there any politics relation or was that a biological relation Because biological relation, Nkrumah is a cash man, Oscar. Ghana sika nyo na kura no. So why? What actually a man want me anya bibia man maame. A dent na maame na ba want me and sit na akra man antelem. Reason you are a human being. Do not let all the political talk be you what Jimmy say na yeah and Nkrumah was the best. Nobody care about Nkrumah. For me, what opinion is not my opinion. You must see Nkrumah as a hero. I see Nkrumah as a failure to a ne Ghana ne media no. And that is me. And that is your opinion. It will be respecting me and my respect with it. It Nkrumah nidi no nya Nkrumah. Nidi ni Nkrumah. Me say bu say obi o say. Ghana Nkrumah. Nkrumah. N J L O M A H. Yato asakanfo yento. Yanto. Enzimafo eto Nkrumah. Esa se miankasa menya ne papa yenzimani ye fa ne Nkrumah. Ye fa ne Nkrumah. Just that there was a very specific nature to adopt a name similar of his name. Na endi e betimi adopted to fit his name. Nkrumah was Nkrumah. First, we are friend Kwabena. Obe we are say as a akani. Why not me as a die wo no say Kwabena say na the friend Kwame. Obe be history because we know the value of those names. Ye ntimi sesano e kasa e krada. E te denti no ntimi sesano de easy. Until there was no value for him. Only value masadian because on one just it is from Kwame. And was he a shame come say from Kwabena, no was he a shame come say Kwame ne babedi ade and what the bay Kwame. Ebi also so busa ho say me no mienu ya woda ye mienu ya ono nko na woda eye two na woda ye mienu two your political one odi be fully me no mienu say okay ho yemfa no nto ho wo papa ye fra wo an what frimpon o pesa wo den totoye ebeto enzema kotoko ni asante kotoko for one time but you lie and then ananum to me nti wudi agoro enzema and kotoko are the same people. We are the same people. Yensayem a bombako, yayefun a bombako. Enzema have played a very vital role when it comes to Asante Kingdom. And until they were not left behind. Up to date, Okwa Grek Enzema, it was given. Say we are all part, we are in there bakope. Because they were the people that construct a dying. Iti daya would be brown ewo. All the Asante Kingdom. Yeah, a stretchy cover buno hafo any buno po nina. Uhu de biala. Yeah, what the structure of Kumasi line bia. And Enzema people was the mastermind to these beautiful designs. Asante Enzema ya de korpe. Empemunim. Eti obi bejira Kwame Nkrumah's ideology so. And I say philosophy of Nkrumah. No be no so be optimistically. Every time any papemu any atro abeto Asante Enzema yen koran totofi wo bi se no ye makwan isa se nim nyansa yenim de nananam chichisi wo mfa so wo so. Kwame Nkrumah, you can be on Kwame Nkrumah whatever you like. No, I'm not a frimpong. But I dare ma o Kwame ma won yen se obi twato. What tribe brings so with distorted histories? So many times and so many several occasions you have done that. But this time you will not go far. What our television so look at how you are brushing and you are shitting and you are lying Asante people, all because of the Enzema akata wenim. What the Enzema akata wenim? And a wo yasa. Wo ya na bia kwara bia be kasa. No wana no akotia na afinzima ne Asante. Ya de kro no. Na anuafo mienu na asembone abaye ntem. No anoche fimpo wo ye panyini. Na ka won trafia masabianfo. Wagenda na woye no, it would bring nothing fruitful than destroying a better and a peaceful relationship from ancient times. Ade a woye panyin bone nsam na wodi. Wodi nsema ta wonim. And also they would distort Asante history. Ti Asante bi sori sesi ya no okasa. Wo sori aka na Asante asa. Wo kwa okasa nzima na kofa semaba. Eni bi na ye ma bi better wodi di Asante fo atam yet yetiti ni Kumase. Ebeka se Kwame Nkrumah enzima Krofi University wosi Konfoanoche. Osi KMUSC. Obeka sa asem. Na Nkrumah finizima ade na wanye bibia mansema fo ya. Have you ever sat down to ask yourself? Ghana sika nyina on na appointed financial minister. Na Nkrumah abebo no na ye one takes all. Ye fen dictator man. Eno ti bafo akoton mu nyina tete part. Ya chi onu gum. Buzi anu tete part. They were hiding behind the curtains. Njade ntina sa sika na no control no a. Wode gi independence ama Guinea, Nigeria, Zimbabwe no wanyi bia mfanya de papa e wonzema amamu ho so o yanzimani na nafuruma wodo wo connection wonzema ho. Why? You are a human being. Ask questions, don't be stupid. Ukwatena asa TV station wo say Abra Kwame Nkrumah AC Konfoanoche Teaching Hospital. Asante focus wo mumpene. Na yesi onkosi mansamanfo. Eninti Nkrumah de asojafo ebe restricted yes Asantefo no ansa na yesi Konfoanoche Hospital. Lawyer not Frimpong, God will deal with you. Asemu ya wakan se namnanu to me nentankasi a ede tichira boa. Eda so dakonya bi efe na konya tuntum ho a you will never score flay because the lies has become numerous and dozen too much. Yensha ade efe no Konfoanoche Teaching Hospital. This hospital was built somewhere around 1920s. But Nasaben ewo Bantima top here ho eso na newo. Ya kunsha eso na newo. Na ye two different hospitals. Ye see them poa ni mienu. Them poa ba ko ho ye tuntumfo nko ne kom. Ekwaje ayarehwe eni mpomuden. Ene them poa ba ko so ho a aye akokofo ne ekom. Ekwaje ayarehwe eni mpomuden. The facility no na ya brofo ne de no was more facilitated than the na yet to for there. Till na Prempeh decided say no. Any population no bet to for the no. Dosun nomination e kwasoro. Eti adenti na ya expanding and one abrofo ya tenase because that time nyina no. Now these people was tormented to the Asante Kingdom because onmo edifiti from 1874 to 1900, you know. They were the people doing everything. And Nana Prempeh and one Kasai say, we need to expand the hospital. And no more Anna. One more agree, with Nana Prempeh. Abrafunu be contribute be. And the monarch of Asante so contribute be say any basic hospital. No. Etia kope sa at assassin when they were bant about. Baby a Konfoanoche the soul ni no. Ehon ye kope se basic hospital no. Na abrafunu nyanse mo no mo share that use location in the sense say. No one person no to so on feel ho. So na nisi one person to feel ho. E ka say expand the hospital no. Aha nyina na wo say tu bibi wa bia free ho. Eti die si ye ni. Abra wonum ade contract no ma G Walker and Slatters Limited. G Walker and Slatters Limited. Onmo de contract no ma wonum. Na ni hye ne efa Kumase Teaching Hospital. Kumase Teaching Hospital, that was the name. Till later on, Anna from 1948, 51 and 54, Anna G Walker on Community Hospital. Now G Walker was very, 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 very famous. No penny person, no a friendly. The people adopt the name G. It will be what a G, and a G, and a G, and a Dinebeka was a G. In 1954. G. Na 1970 abra one mu G worker no kura wie Comfort Teaching Hospital no. On mo ye say omo epese onu mu see a maternity ward no fa baby a so no esie no. Eti G worker me the excavators. G say betu afana na ehyepo mo. I was G worker. So what is here say abrofo bi e de excavator betu na G worker bra na onu epese onu expanded the maternity blocks in 1951 to 54. It was ya on man dimanye on man to me and two. A whole and a 1 man kasa didi ye. It was contribution from G worker say besi we na si ho. It says obedi say to me a war so nim ampa. Eti G worker ne nana prempe and abrofo and ye see hospital no ye free top hill ho bantama top hill ya na ye fen Kumasi Teaching Hospital and ye besi wo ho in the debate say na prempe say etuntu for hospital na ye kro any pan nomination na dosun and I say numbers na dosun e wo ho aye kwa facilities ni susha and it ye choose so asante themselves the kingdom themselves and then the colonial masters themselves collaborate and build a hospital. Eti nipa omodi hospital ne man wo se wonye no that was G Worker and Slater Limited. One mu no omodi contract ma o. Eti G Worker and the G no abe G ame nyina ye nyina be G because G was a very famous and a very common to people. Or a friendly. He approached people. He was socialized man. Those say he was a contractor but or Donipa. So his name became common. And a Slater and a Kamono never becomes common. Eti G Worker no and a G oba near Bogenes G oba near Bogenes. And that was the reason why G no obeyed the name of this hospital instead of Kumasi Teaching Hospital. Even after the Kumasi Teaching Hospital no in 1975 and one more 1975 years said you one a mesano a champon a bread champon was see the maternity blocks. A champon was the man of the moment. And near a champon can never be compared to Niama and Kroma but because he was a military takeover, people do not recognize the Numa power And then what a tema community? Who would ye ma and Kroma or a fee a champon because of say he be a calm man. So I did be obey piano. There wasn't any beneficial. But a champion within the 8 years, a champion he was the best ever. Operation Field yourself. And young crewman at the buy a champion. A champion, a man and the deformer. And who say you need to learn how to drive, and you also need to learn how to do business and be independent. It's a champion, a man independent. And my one loan, my one car, no one chicha. Because company na ye friends a Japan company on mother car industry no mo kwaji ba ye no na car ne bo nti na obi antiminto. Eti manu a champion de bosia mo kurasika no. And one can do almost say one mun talkers no mun see how to drive no mun chicha and kakra. And so anonema a kufu no other for kufu ebra hatred ni bitterness ba on Akufu ntam no Akufu ready a lie against him say a champion so there and o fa man no mo car for took better golf and what is added better champion so a champion made the press release I say me a champion atro na modi atum so nya modi atum so mo munim say e yade anya no kore and to catch the Republic of Ghana then that time say one of the more boss obema my independent obe promote to a man in a very good sectors obema man so jina omana mo so no and wanya problem ho ebi so and electrification away a wo hu no and the baby and cross light electrification rural areas development was a champion rural area development was a champion one complete akosomo dampo who made it complete one complete it was a champion. It was a champion. It was a champion. Rural area development was a champion. Estate near was a champion. Champion a building. No would develop a quality from Crasset. A champion Brasso and Ocasa was in United. It is a way as Santinia near Postu at the concline and Crania Postu at the voter near Postu at the Conorden. A champion. Bibienu wa na si wo northern region na jump onko okọ bibienu wa besi won kan onko okọ bibienu wa besi wo voter no onko okọ because Champion was bringing us together. Abra obidi can buy a better tea and tam. It was a Champion. Buzia baby. Buzia tries, but because of Buzia, 1 year military ninety. Buzia by in the fancy MLN take it. Yeah, be a UP later no. UP take it no by. But now saying a Champo is philosophy, very optimistic and professional. A Champo was more enlightened and educated. But no yet so Jenny. So Buzia no yet so Jenny. So a Champo no Satana a trouble raises about military nimuno. Anything one way your imagine say military be your imagine so number 2. Buzia Fradia so, and in a man, Sabrano, a Champon knew, Buzia knew, say, we be see, and to almost catch a champo, a Buzia say, Uncle, Tibuzia ko you can a champo take you over. Na Buzia ni ko me and a champo take you over. No one need Ghana ho and a champo take you over. No you can a champo take you over. And Jabra BBC 4 a granting interview, no, also only you don't know. Or no quite the only president in Ghana. What is going on? It is just a mere joke. Because one custom will be a fan fair champon. God, they were all aware about what's going on. And when your magic somebody has key to a Buzia, Tina my champon, take you over. A champon, Yenema Bibri. There's a lot of things a champon did. Immensely well. Immensely well. A champon yadie. But too much champon ding because of Oye Akani. Because of so breaky Akani mo Oya Santini. Look at the painful execution you come a champon just for nothing. And it is a passy a cabibia. Was he what do you have against Nkrumah? Oh, me, Jojo. I have nothing against Nkrumah. I was all car wife say, I have never met Nkrumah before. Me here Nkrumah da. Nkrumah minim da. Nkrumah meet me Casametana Medono. It has a man she put da. Many she Nkrumah so da. But the truth have to be told how it is. So what you say, no kura no was here can no me no yesuya de letimi suya de ye because the whole can is different from baby a war. Ti said you be ebe gina no akase. And Obian Kase Nkrumah anya de. He did well. But in his own way. In his own way. Yeah, a lot of people was also affected by Sebi or no niema or ye no affected a lot of unity. A lot of families. People was in imprisonment for nothing. In prison without trial, I Nkrumah Breso. Chamia Bafagoto was a typical example. So, anything sometimes men can say obi ka some any favor to war only pa open assembly to only panetano. No. And it is ya no kwano my enka. No, we need to speak the truth. Menta Nkrumah se minimum no. Nkrumah here ware no, fati anya me yonko no. A very beautiful woman. So basically, Nkrumah sike Nkrumah sompeno mimi hu bikura emu ketekete. So how can I hate Nkrumah? Minimum no. But the truth, yeah, more deep plenty of from. I didn't want ye na most one ye. That is where the concerns comes from. Because someone who deserve that award has been taken away. So, till Kotra baby na catch him say, Nkrumah ne si confanoche. How patches he wasn't even in Ghana. Nkrumah wasn't even in Ghana. Was it now? I know where you're coming from. Nkrumah wasn't even in Ghana when actually built Confederate Teaching Hospital. That one need Ghana on you see teaching hospital. No. He wasn't there. So Nkrumah came in picture from 1948. 1948, I didn't Nkrumah back picture him. But no credit at all was given to Akwaje till date. And then kind of one could have Akwaje won a bit credits. Akwaje was a gunman, no young cranny bema. And then Miramu and then connected no. And Crawford bomb modern year seeking the independence of this country. But now we don't even mention our name. A.B. Hammond, no money, Akwajem, or that Lante, but all these people was the gunman, but their names are not mentioned. Every time Nkrumah, Ben Nkrumah was a